Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can receive the latest recipes. Our recipe today is Mamooniya. Mamooniya is traditionally made in the heart of Aleppo, Syria. It is usually eaten for breakfast and it gives you lots of energy and fills you up throughout the day. It's traditionally eaten with a side of string cheese, jibne mshallale, or any type of cheese of your choice. Let's get started. Over medium heat, add half a cup of butter. Then add 1 cup of coarse semolina or farina. Now, for every 1 cup of coarse semolina, you're going to need 6 cups of liquid. Now, this is traditionally made with water, but it can also be made with milk. I like it with milk, so I'll be making it with milk today. For medium-low heat, we want to toast up our coarse semolina until it gets to a golden tone to it. Keep rotating it so it won't get burned. In a separate pot at the same time while we're toasting our farina or coarse semolina, add 6 cups of milk. Now, this is traditionally made with water, but it does taste really good with milk. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Now, the sugar is a preference if you like it sweet or just a little sweet. And you can go all the way from 1 cup to 3 cups of sugar. I like it 1.5 cups of sugar. So now I'm doing both at the same time. We're going to wait till the milk comes up to a boil. And by that time, your farina will be toasted. And you want to make sure you're toasting it over medium to low heat. We don't want it to burn, but you want to keep on rotating it so it can get a golden tone to it. So you want it to look like the color of sand. And here is a close-up of the color that you want to achieve. This is the golden sand color that I was talking about. And this is what you want it to look like. And now it's ready to pour into my boiling milk. Now add your toasted wheat in your milk. And please be careful because that wheat is very hot and it will sizzle when it hits the milk. Now you're going to stir it in the milk for about 5 minutes while the milk is still boiling over medium-low heat. And then we're going to put the lid on. Now this is what the consistency looks like after 5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn off our heat, we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to wrap it up in a blanket. And we're going to leave it for about 30 minutes untouched, and then it will be ready to enjoy. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to open our pot back up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Our Mamooniya has thickened up beautifully. And the reason behind that is the wheat takes a little bit of time to open up and absorb all that milk. And leaving it to rest for 30 minutes, it gives it all the time for it to absorb it. So now if you get a little bit of lumps just like this, just stir it in or whisk it in. And you're going to get a smooth consistency. And it's a beautiful color and it tastes amazing. Top it off with ushta, my cooked cream, and some cinnamon, and enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe, and I hope you enjoy making it at home.